Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. If you haven't seen my last video where I installed a set of Morimoto XB hybrid headlights, I'll put a link to that video on the screen right now. This video is sort of a follow-up to that where I decided to go ahead and get a set of the XB fog lights to go along with the headlights that I bought. Now I decided to do that knowing that once you install a set of headlights with a nice white bright light, that the factory fog lights weren't really going to be up to par to go along with that. So it made sense for me at the time of the purchase of the XB hybrid lights to go ahead and buy a set of the matching fog lights to go along with it. These are a direct bolt-in replacement for the factory fog lights. They do come with connectors, though they're not pre-wired. The way they come right out of the box is that just the bare connectors are like this right here. And there's a reason they do that. According to the instructions, I guess some of the polarities can vary on the factory fog light harnesses. So what they recommend you do is go ahead and try these connectors into the factory plug first to determine what is positive and what is negative, and then you actually put the connector on to match up to the factory plug. As far as price is concerned, these are fairly pricey for a set of fog lights. They're just under $300. Really, the main reason that I bought them at the same time that I bought the headlights was that I had the Black Friday 25% discount that I got off of the headlights and the fog lights. So it sort of left a little wiggle room for me there to go ahead and spring for the fog lights as well. All right, so right now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go through that install process and see how nice they are. I am only going to do the install on one light. The other one should just be pretty much a mirror installation of the first one. So we're just going to cover one.